Hi everyone, we are in the third day of the Siemens Realize Live Europe event in Amsterdam. And I met with Melanie from Heller, and she just did a great presentation. And we met with Melanie in Detroit like around 3-4 weeks ago. And they were presenting this Heller token machine. And then I had the opportunity to visit Heller US as well. And it's great to see Melanie here again. And I would like to ask you, like, how did you find the show? What have you presented? And can you also talk a little bit about this very interesting machine?
Yeah, sure. I'm happy to meet you again too. And it was so funny, honestly, when I saw you 4 weeks later. Same situation, same story. But this time we are here in the room with the token. Last time we had been down in the solution center. The token is a little complete 5-axis milling machine. It's equipped with a full-blown numeric 1. And it's used for a training purpose. So you actually can do everything what you can do with a real machine. You can do at a little machine, so you can train kids, carriers, changers, employees. You can train everybody on that machine. And the cool thing is, our apprentice built it.
Wow, wow. So it's really like a hands-on apprentice program then, apprenticeship program. Wow. Yeah, it must be very satisfying to work with their hands, because new generation is usually with the computers. So I don't think they usually have hands-on experience, but this is a great opportunity for them, I think, to have hands-on experience.
Yeah, actually they learn by building a machine how to build machines, because we're a machine tool builder, so it's super interesting also that they get their enthusiasm back. You know, like you said, you know, a lot of them want to be a TikTok star or YouTuber, but this is not the future, maybe, but it's better actually to learn something stable. And this is really where they got back into attraction. And so we have all majors working together, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, the machinists, and the technical designers. And at the end of the day, they're building their own machine, which they use for training again. And we use it in the academy and sell it to our customers.
So this is like serving a double purpose. It's basically training the apprentices. Apprentices are building the machines, and then this machine then goes to manufacturers, so that they can train their employees or their own apprentices as well. So this is great, I think. And what I liked is about this, basically you can go around the machine and see everything. It's quite open. And as I understand it, basically you can carry this around with two boxes around. So
and you can roll it. So as long as you, for example, if you use it in the university, you can just roll it from room to room, and it's plug and play. So you don't need any hydraulics or coolant. You can just plug it in, get your coffee maker out, and start milling. And
I understand that you just plug into like standard electricity plug, and it works. And also numeric 1 is like relatively new technology. Although it's been on the market, many people don't know about it. And the apprentices or whoever is going to be trained on this machine will be trained with the latest numeric 1 as well. So that's also
and you can use the digital twin too. So you can actually simulate, and for training purpose use the digital twin. We have also the model of the little token, as well as for sure for our real machines too, the big ones. But so they adopt this directly too, how to use that. You can do on-machine probing. So we have also a little measuring probe for that machine. So everything what the big one can do, the little one can do too.
Great. Maybe in the future we can include our productive machines technology in the digital twin as well.
Why
so
not?
That can be a great add-on, I think, in the future. We can discuss that later on.
Definitely. We're open for something like that.
Yeah, looking forward to the collaboration. In fact, I forgot, we already started a collaboration in Detroit. We did this gear case, you machined this gear casing component, and we demonstrated to Siemens that we can machine this component 25% faster with our technology.
Wow, what did they say?
Yeah, they were really impressed.
Yeah, I can see that. Cool.
And as I mentioned, so we are really looking forward to collaborating with your company through the UK colleagues, or maybe through US colleagues, or maybe with the German colleagues as well. So
we are always welcome, doesn't matter where in the world.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much.
I'll thank you. Hope to see you soon again.
Yeah, I hope to see you too.